Hello guys, welcome back to Exoticast. Today we are looking at the new Hyundai i20 2020. It's the new phase, the basically third generation of i20. And this is the key of the i20, and here we get a lock, unlock, and the boot opener and the hold option. At the front we get these are the LED DRLs. Here we get a projector setup, and here is the high beam, and here it is the batching of the i20, and it is the LED DRL, and here we get a turn indicator, and this is the fog lamp. It is this also we get in a projector, and it is the fog lamp housing is finished in the piano black, and the it get the hexagonal grill, and that too finished in the piano black. Here we get a Hyundai batching and chrome design, which looks premium. I don't know camera justifying or no. Here is the honeycomb design in the headlight. Dual tone alloy wheels, and the section is 195/55 R16, and here we get auto foldable ORMs with the LED indicators. These are auto foldable, and mirrors are quite big. Below the window we get a puddle lamp too, and here we get a request sensor. Door handles are finished in the chrome, and we get window garnish too. Window garnished, it is finished in the chrome, and this is the new jet shape LED tail lamps, and here also we get a i20 badging, and here it is finished in the chrome, and back we get a wiper, defogger, and the high stop mountain lamp, and the shark fin antenna, and tail lamp looks pretty good. And here is the i20 badging. There are the two parking sensors, and it is the Asta optional model. And also we get a piano black finish, and alloy wheels look good in this car. Let's see the boot space, and new i20 get the boot space of 311 liters, and here we get a subwoofer, that too from Bosch, and this time boot is big, and here we get a boot lamp and the hooks, and it is some compartment. Here we get emergency kit, and these are brochures, and here we get a spare tire. It is a small size tire. Here we get a partial tray, and here we get a handle to close the boot. Like we get a reflector, and these are body claddings which are finished in the piano black, and it is, when car is unlocked we can open directly from here, and it is the diesel version. Capacity of the new i20 is 37 liters. These are the LED tail lamps, which looks pretty good. i20 we get the sunroof. Only in Asta optional we get the sunroof. The new i20's length is 3,995, and the width is 1,775, and the height is 1,505 mm, and the wheelbase is 2,580. This is the diesel engine of the new i20, and this here the 1.5 liter diesel engine, which produces the 100 horses and the 240 Newton meters of torque, and at the hood there is no insulation. New i20 comes with the safety features of 6 airbag, ABS, EBD, electrical stability control, and hill start assist. Here we get power window controls, lock, unlock, and the ORM controls, and door opener are finished in the glossy black. And here is the 1 liter bottle holder. Here we get speaker from the Bosch, and here we get a tweeter. These are the AC vents. These AC vents look quite good. And here is this push start button. Here is the traction control and the camera view and the headlamp leveler. And we are inside the new i20, and here we get a full digital. This is the full digital instrument cluster. Here we get left side we get speedometer, and the right side we get a tachometer, and there is the MID, which multi information display, and which it comes with lots of information. And this MID looks similar to the Verna. And at the right side we get headlamp controls and the indicator control. Here we get wiper controls. This is the steering wheel of the new i20, and here we get media controls and the cruise control with the MID control. And here we get the 10.12 inches touch screen. It is the big touch screen. See the reverse. This is the back camera with the comes with the adaptive guidelines. Here we get AC vents. Here is the hazard lamp switch, and here we automatic AC, and these switches feels pretty good. And here we get USB and the 12 volt power outlet, and here we get one charging point. Here is the wireless phone charger, and here is the gear knob, and here we get a handbrake, and this is the air purifier. This is the air purifier of the car. And here we get a armrest. It is a sliding armrest. You can slide and fix the glove box, which is the cooled glove box. And here we get auto dimming rear view mirror, and with the blue link. And here we get a passenger side mirror, and these are the light controls. Here we get a sunroof control, and driver or passenger get the only a toll receipt. And this is the sunroof of the new i20. And here is the reading lamp, and front we get adjustable headrest. And new i20 Asta optional gets the ambient lighting too. Ambient lighting. Corners are finished in the chrome. And now I am at the backside of the new i20. In new i20 we get the good leg room and the knee room, and here at back we get adjustable headrest with the armrest with two here are no cup holders, and here we get isofix child seat mounts. And back we get a partial tray with the handle. This side is the handle with the hook, and it is the reading lamp. And here we get AC vents, two AC vents, and here is one charging slot, and here is this storage place for phone. And at the back side we also get a 1 liter the bottle holder with this speaker. Door openers feels quite good, and front driver and the co-driver side gets the height adjustable seat belts. We can adjust the steering wheel height. There is no reach adjustment, and in new i20 we sit a little bit lower than the usual cars. Flat bottom steering wheel, but it looks similar to the Creta. Let's see how new i20 drives. The cabin is silent, and there is no being a diesel engine, there is no much engine noise also, and initial pickup is good. Steering feels very light, and the clutch pedal and brake pedal feels good. Thank you for watching the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel and keep supporting.